But on this top piece, right here, there's a red body clip from hell. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm working on here is changed out was the seatbelt mechanism on the driver's side. Same procedure for the passenger side. What you have here, you have a 10mm bolt there that holds it up on top, and you have I believe that's a 14mm. Yeah, 14mm down there. You have two electrical connectors. This one is for the pre-tensioner on the seatbelt, and assuming this one would be to let you know if the seatbelt is actually connected or not on the dashboard. So, but this one is your pre-tensioner. You have a black clip right there. That black clip holds the yellow connector in, and what you need to do is disconnect your battery for at least 10 minutes. I actually removed the negative battery terminal off the battery, negative battery cable off the battery for 10 minutes, and then I went ahead and messed with that. Popped that black tab out, just got a little screwdriver, popped it out, and I was able to pull the yellow straight out. It came right out. Same here. I think there's a little tab on here, but yeah, it's really easy to do once you get all this off. One thing I wanted to show you though, this top piece has a you have two 10mm bolts right here, right there, one there, and then this comes out pretty easily. But on this top piece right here, there's a red body clip from hell. Okay, I had to basically drill it out because it stayed in the frame of the vehicle. You can see it right there. See all those marks right there? Here's the actual clip you need, and I had to get this from Toyota. Part number for that red body clip from hell is 90467-11111 for those of you who cannot read. So if you're going to do this job, change out the seatbelt mechanism, get that from Toyota, and buy this clip as well. If you're doing both sides, get two of these, right? Why did I change it out? Well, this is my wife's vehicle. I changed it out because she was complaining that it was not retracting, and I tried washing the seatbelt to help it retract better. Got a power washer and did all the stuff that everybody says to do. Didn't help. But after replacing this, I actually replaced this a couple weeks ago and finally got the clip. That's why I'm back in here putting the clip back on, so this little body panel stays in correctly. But after replacing that, it retracts great. She says everything's good to go. So worked out well. If I can find this seatbelt mechanism online, I will put a link down in the description below. Otherwise, you'll have to get it from the Toyota dealership. So there you go, guys. Hope this helped you out. I know it's not an exciting video, but just showing you what you need to do to replace the seatbelt mechanism. And then you also have a bolt right here that you have to change out. Pretty easy once you get in. The toughest part of the whole job was getting that black clip off to release the pre-tensioner for the seatbelt. But all right, guys, there you go. If this has helped you save money, please subscribe to Bundys Garage. It really helps me and my family out, and I will talk to you guys later.